Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up or create an account on your ESPN MLB TV. So first of all, launch any browser that you would prefer. At the top search bar, type in MLB.com, then you will get to its official website. Now in here, if you would like to sign up, what you have to do is click on to this MLB TV. And once you do that, before signing up, you might have to purchase these packages. You can either purchase seasonal or monthly if you would prefer. Now, if you would like to purchase seasonal, you can also start a free trial. So let's go ahead and select buy now. Make sure that you have your card information with you for you to enter at this page. And once you have entered your billing address and purchased the package, you will see a page where you can create yourself an account. In my case, this shows up due to my region. It's not eligible. In your case, it might be different. So go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt after purchasing this package and you will see what to do. And likewise, this is how easy it is to create an account. Thank you for watching.